Are you the type of person that likes to have fun? Well, I have a car for you. How's it going, guys? Here we have our 1989 Nissan 240SX S13 hatchback, naturally aspirated KA24 engine. I'm tired of getting 240s that aren't smogged and registered. Forget the hassle, this one's ready to go. Before I forget, brand new tires. Unlike your Honda Civic, dash doesn't light up like a Christmas tree. No check engine light. Are you tired of driving your automatic Honda? Grab a 240. It comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. This thing's more reliable than a brand new Honda off the lot. If this sounds like the car for you, give us a call.